Hi there, welcome to What's New AWS Weekly Series. My name is Ravi Nandigam and I thank you in advance for watching this lecture. For the past week, AWS made 70 plus announcements about its services. In this lecture, I will try to cover 14 important announcements. Let's get started. Under Compute category, first announcement is under EC2 category on G4 instances. G4 instances are the industry's most cost-effective and versatile GPU instances for deploying machine learning models and graphics-intensive applications. G4 instances are available as G4DN, which uses NVIDIA GPU, or G4AD, which uses AMD GPUs. This announcement is about introduction of smaller size G4AD instances, G4AD X large and G4AD 2X large. Please note G4AD is not the announcement here. The smaller sizes of G4AD is the announcement over the last week. Second announcement is on EC2 auto scaling. EC2 auto scaling now lets you control which instances to terminate during a scale-in operation. Previously, you could use one of the predefined terminational policies to determine which instances autoscaling would terminate. For example, maybe based upon age, that is, maybe terminate oldest instance first. Now, you can provide custom Lambda function that indicates which instances are safe to terminate on scaling event. This feature is useful for stateful applications where you want to control which instances autoscaling terminates so that your app is not disrupted on scaling. Sometimes in our production environments, certain apps are tightly coupled with certain instances. What if your scaling event suddenly terminates that tightly coupled EC2 instance? Your app would get interrupted. Maybe it's for a few seconds, but still it gets interrupted. With this new announcement, you can leverage this new feature of scaling event to avoid such scenarios. To me, it looks like a cool feature to try in our environment. Next couple of announcements are in storage category. Elastic Block Storage EBS now supports idempotent creation of EBS volumes. You can call create volume API number of times, but volume is created only once. This feature is more towards supporting container orchestration systems or automation scripts that create EBS volumes as part of its workflows. S3 on Outpost adds two larger storage tiers. S3 on Outpost delivers object storage to your on-premises AWS Outpost environment. Existing storage options are 26 terabyte, 48 or 96 terabytes. With this announcement on S3 Outpost, it started supporting 240 terabyte and 380 terabyte. Under database category, DynamoDB Accelerator DAX provides a fully managed, highly available in-memory cache for DynamoDB operations. This announcement is about DynamoDB Accelerator DAX SDK availability for Java 2.x. The next announcement is on Amazon Neptune. Amazon Neptune now supports the OpenCipher query language. OpenCipher is available in lab mode. Customers who are using Gremlin can immediately start using OpenCipher to query their graphs. Amazon DynamoDB has a concept of global tables. Those tables are now available in Asia Pacific, Osaka region. This announcement is not about the global tables, it's about the availability of global tables in a specific region. The next announcement is about Redshift Data API's additional capability. You can use this data API to query Redshift from various front-end interfaces. Starting today, you can execute multiple statements within one transaction, and you can retrieve the results for each statement separately. Under analytics, we have one important announcement. Glue DataBrew, a visual data preparation tool, which makes it easy for data analysts and data scientists to clean and normalize data. This announcement is not about the DataBrew's availability, it is about the availability of Glue DataBrew in a specific region, which is Europe, Milan. AWS Lambda larger functions are now available in 3 additional regions, one in Middle East, 2 in Asia Pacific. Through Lambda functions now you can provision up to 10 gigs of memory. If you are already aware, the CPU power that Lambda allocates is actually proportional to the memory provision. With this capability of up to 10 gigs of memory for AWS Lambda function, you can get up to 6 virtual CPUs. Again, this announcement is not about the new service announcement. It's about this feature announcement in 3 additional regions. Under Security, Identity and Compliance, AWS Security Hub has released 10 new controls for its foundational security best practice standard. What is this? Foundational security best practice standard. This is actually a set of controls that detect when your deployed accounts and resources deviate from security best practices. Through this announcement, AWS Security Hub added 10 new controls to this best practices security foundational standard. Another important announcement was on Network Firewall achievement of PCI DSS compliance. Under Network and Content Delivery, one announcement was on Route 53. Route 53 got a new capability, that is Route 53 Application Recovery Controller. This is actually made of 2 parts. One is readiness check, another one is routing control. This looks like a very cool feature to try, especially in an environment where you have very strict, very minimal recovery time objectives, and there is a requirement for very high availability, which is higher than 99.99, that is above 4 nines. The last announcement I have here is on Amazon CodeGuru Profiler. If you are familiar, Amazon CodeGuru is a developer tool that provides intelligent recommendations to improve code quality and identify an application's most expensive lines of code. The profiler actually helps identify performance improvement opportunities and also provides recommendations. So the announcement is on the automatic setup of Amazon CodeGuru Profiler on Lambda functions in Lambda console. This actually makes it easier for us to understand our Lambda functions runtime and optimize their performance and cost. With that, thanks again for watching my lecture.